Yogi Clan, what's up, and welcome back to Wazzup Wednesday. I am here with none other than Miss Yogi.
Scream from the top of my lungs, what's going on?
Hello, Miss Yogi.
Hello.
So what's up in our family? What's been going on lately? Okay, I'll tell you what's been going on lately. We are still working. We are still hosting, right?
Yes.
That's the plan. The plan is the kids are still coming over from
Eastern Europe.
They should be coming here December
18th.
And we are really looking forward to that. Still looking at hosting the sibling set of 4. There are, like I said in a prior Wazzup Wednesday video, there are 5 siblings, but the 14-year-old is not going to travel because of COVID restrictions. And so his 2 younger sisters and 2 younger brothers are going to be coming December 18th. We are looking forward to that. We have raised a total of...
I'm not sure of the exact amount. I haven't looked, but I think it's around $6,000.
$6,000. $6,000. So that's pretty good. So that puts us a little over halfway there. Total that we need is $11,200, but we still have a need. Well, that's like what, $5,200 short of where we need to be. And that money was technically due probably
November 1st.
And today is
The 6th?
I don't know, I can't read it. We're 3 or 4 days past due from turning in this money, and we're still $5,200 short. So
And they're looking at buying plane tickets for all of the kids within the next week.
Oh, yeah, that's yeah. And they still need to get their visas. Did they get their visas yet?
No, but they need their money. OHHC needs all of the money so that they can purchase all of the plane tickets for the kids.
Okay.
That's the primary concern. So we're looking at still needing about $5,000 in the next week.
Oh, $5,000 in the next week. So Yogi Clan, I'm going to put in the comments to the video and in the description of the video, we're going to put the link again to our nonprofit site, Open Hearts and Homes, where you can donate. And that is a tax deduction for y'all. So we would greatly appreciate the help to help us get to this goal. We've gotten halfway there, but we're still halfway to go. So in other news, since James 1:27 is so important to our family, pure and undefiled religion before the God and the Father is this, to care for the widow and the orphan in their time of need. Since that's kind of like our family scripture and our family mantra and what really our mission statement for our family is, we are also looking at doing something different than hosting. What are we doing?
We are in the process of getting licensed again as foster parents, and that is how we originally began our journey into adoption many years ago. Back in, I think it was 2008, we became foster parents. That was what led us to adopt one of our daughters. And so now we are able to do that again. And so we are looking at getting licensed hopefully in the next couple months. We have completed the classes and most of our paperwork. We had the fire inspection on our house the other day. And so we're just going to finish up the last of the social worker visits and get our fingerprints done. And so hopefully in the next month or maybe 2 months, we should have our licensure completed for that.
This won't be our first go around being foster parents either, will it?
Right.
So we're pretty excited about the opportunity of that for fostering some kids. And you know, it's just really important for us. You know, so many people have said, boy, you've adopted so many kids, you've hosted so many kids, you know, when are you going to stop? I don't think really for us there is a finish line to us giving back to those who are the fatherless or the motherless or the, what'd you say, the parentless.
Well, there's a lot of different ways to give back too, which I think oftentimes people don't really realize. You know, you don't have to adopt or foster in order to be able to give back, but there's such a great need in this global orphan crisis, both at home right here in our own backyards, which is why we're starting up to do foster care again, but also of course across the world, which is why we do orphan hosting and have adopted from China and from Eastern Europe before as well. Orphans are orphans, no matter where they are.
Right, absolutely. Because for the 11 kids we've adopted, we don't get paid for that. We get paid zero. All those expenses to feed them, to clothe them, to the school expenses, anything that those kids need or that we have to provide, the government doesn't pay us for that. We didn't get into this for the money, because that's not, we spent a lot of money trying to adopt these kids. We don't get paid for any of this. It's all out of our pockets. But it's something that is our way to contribute, our way to give back, and our way to try to make this world, even if it's just a little bit better of a place.
And to your point, we don't necessarily see a finish line, because we feel like it's something that we're always going to be able to contribute to in some capacity or another. As we get older and we don't feel equipped to bring more children into our family, then that's going to then be the route that we will take. We'll be supporting other families on their adoption journeys, or other families in their fostering roles with children, and figuring out what ways that we can assist them. So no, we might not be adopting until we're 80, or fostering or even hosting until then. But while we see the need, my personal mantra to myself, and also I've tried to pass along to my kids, has always been see a need, fill a need. So I don't care if it's chores at home, you see something on the floor, it's not yours, still pick it up. Same goes when, when the topic is orphan care. If we see a need and we feel like we are equipped to fill a need, then that's what we aim to do.
So what else is going on in our family for Wazzup Wednesday? Anything else exciting getting ready for the holidays?
Yeah, getting ready to have a bunch of people over for Thanksgiving, so I'm going to have to start doing my Thanksgiving menu soon. Getting ready to celebrate our eldest child's 26th birthday, so that's going to be really fun. I'm going to be bringing...
And then somebody turns 50 this year.
Yeah, that's a while down the road.
That's next month.
We have to get through Thanksgiving, Evan's birthday, Oscar's birthday, Thatcher, our grandson's birthday, way before we have to think about your birthday.
But I turned 50 this year. Let me tell you, I feel it too. My shoulder hurts. It hurts to get out of bed.
It doesn't hurt you to ride that motorcycle, that does it?
No, it doesn't.
No.
No. But it hurts the day after. After a long weekend of being on the bike. Mm-hmm. But no, during it now.
No. That's about it.
That's about all that's going on. So there's the current events for Wazzup Wednesday. I appreciate you joining us, and would really appreciate you sharing this video and sharing the link to our Open Hearts and Homes, the nonprofit donation website. Anything you guys can do, $20, $50, $100, $1,000, that would be awesome, because we really need the help to try to get to the last little bit. We need about $5,200 in order to make it to our goal, and they are getting ready to buy the plane tickets in a couple days, so we need to be able to pay for this.
And like you've said before, none of it goes towards us. It's all towards helping enrich the lives of these children, so that they can come here and enjoy Christmas with a family. The kids that we're hosting have been in the orphanage for 9 years. So that means that the oldest one was 5 when he was put into the orphanage, and the youngest one was 2. So they probably don't really remember much about having any kind of special holiday or family time in a family.
And this is the first time they've been hosted too, right?
It is. 9 years straight in an orphanage with no break.
Yeah. No mother to hug. No father to hug.
Yep. No presents under the tree.
It's got to be tough.
Yeah. It's probably very lonely. So that's
Right
why
on.
we do it.
Amen. All right, Yogi Clan. Now you know what's up. So I hope you have a wonderful week, and we will catch you on the next Wazzup Wednesday. All right, y'all. Thank you for joining. Peace. You want to say peace?
No.
Fine. Be that way.